Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to enable dark mode on VIX. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in vix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to VIX if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have my site where you can check out your sites, home, getting paid, all payments, apps, and of course we have settings and design site and a lot of options in the dashboard. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and enable dark mode on VIX. So enabling dark mode on your VIX site involves a few steps. Here's a simple guide to help you get started. First of all, log into your VIX account and open the site you want to edit. I have my site here. You just need to go and open or create your site. Then go to your site settings. You can find this in the dashboard. So you can go basically in the dashboard, which you can click on the top left corner and click on settings, as you can see. Then guys, here you just need to go and enable dark mode. Look for an option to enable dark mode in the settings. If you don't see it, you might need to use custom code or a third-party app to achieve the effect, if you of course do not see the dark mode. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.